The search feature in Files is pretty basic, but it can be helpful for quickly locating certain files or folders. There is a persistent search field available at the top of the display anywhere in Files. Start entering the name of a file, and the search begins. If I enter Sample into the search field, 2 folders and 2 files appear in the results. I can then open or work with these items like I could from any other folder in Files. The main limitation of search in the Files app is that any time a search is entered, it searches everything in Files. If I go into the Mail Attachments folder and enter the term image, several files turn up. So this is not just searching within the Mail Attachments folder, and there is no option available to have it do so. This is one area where Files comes up short compared to the Mac. When searching in the Finder, you can easily perform the search from everywhere, or from just the folder that you're currently viewing. When performing a search, you might end up seeing duplicate results. To know exactly where these duplicates are, tap and hold and bring up the info panel. One of these is in my Mail Attachments folder. The other is in the Recently Deleted folder. If I jump into the Recently Deleted folder, I can tap and hold to either fully delete the file now, or recover the file, which will place the file back into the folder that it was deleted from.